You love her very much, don't you?
What's the threat?
Our daughter's alone in Dawn, surrounded by people who hate our family.
Well, I can't know she's our daughter.
Then don't call her your daughter. You've never been a father to her.
I'm gonna make things better.
You've never made anything better.
I'm going to Dawn.
The day will come when you think you are safe and happy, and your joy will turn to ashes in your mouth. And you will know the debt is paid.
I'm bringing our daughter home. It has to be me. So we're rescuing my niece, bringing her back to her family. Your niece? Dawn's too dangerous for you. I've come to take you home.
This is my home.
I don't understand.
Of course you don't. You don't know me.
You love her very much, don't you?
We don't choose whom we love.
I know. And I'm glad. I'm glad that you're my father.
The day will come when you think you are safe and happy, and your joy will turn to ashes in your mouth. And you will know the debt is paid.